Hey everybody, Tim Hart, branch manager of VanDyk Mortgage here in Fort Myers, Florida. I want to talk to you about income. All right, you're trying to get qualified for a home. You're trying to get pre-approved to buy a home. Income is a big deal, you guys. Credit and income are the two most important things. Income can be a little hairy. All right, so can credit scores depending on if you pay your bills or not. Income, though, is what we're talking about today, and we're talking about overtime income, right? Overtime. And bonuses. What a great day. It's a bonus. So both of these are considered risk factors when it comes to income. So income really starts with the person, and the majority of people that will be watching this are going to be hourly or salary, right? Like, I work 40 hours a week and it's $15 an hour, okay? Or I make $50,000 a year, salary. There we go. No matter what I do, 50 grand a year. And what we're talking about is when you get into, okay, well, this is how much you make per hour, but what happens when you get overtime? All right, how do we treat that? How do we treat bonuses? And we already did a video about commission as well. So this is, excuse me, going to be about overtime and overtime and bonuses. And so the big thing with bonuses and overtime is you have to have a 2-year history of it. Okay, the lender has to be able to look and say, okay, well, we're here in early 2022, and when we include 2020 and 2021, this person averaged X amount of dollars for overtime. That's the income we'll use. So you have your salary or hourly plus overtime. That's what we're going to use, a 2-year average. We're not going to say, hey, I've been hourly the whole time for 5 years, and just the last couple of months, my company's finally allowed me to get overtime now. I work 10 hours of overtime, and I've done it for 2 months straight. We're not going to be able to use that. Sorry. It's good for you. You're making more money, but for the loan, it won't work. Same with bonuses. Why won't it work? It's because the lender can't look at it and say, oh, hey, this is going to guarantee go forward. He's going to get this much money, right? We can't tell. What if the company was just going through a good season? What if the company hits hard times in 3 or 4 months? We qualify you on your income. We qualify you on your income to make sure that you can afford and make the mortgage payment every single month. No lender out there wants to see a foreclosure happen, right? So if we go and your income today is, 2 months ago is $4,000, and now because of the overtime you're getting, it's $6,000 a month. If we qualify you for the $6,000 income and give you a much higher sales price than what you would get at $4,000 a month, well, what happens when you don't get the overtime? What happens when the economy slows down? Or, they start maybe saying, hey, enough, you've worked your overtime, we're through the season, no more OT for you, okay? Well, now you're back to what you were making before, except we lent it to you as you making $6,000 a month. Right? Not a good recipe for you. Could result into you getting behind in your payments. If it's not on the mortgage, maybe it's something else. Right? You're just not making enough money. So you got to have a 2-year history of it. Long way of telling you, you have to have a 2-year history of overtime and bonuses when you go to apply for a mortgage. All right? We are here to help. So if you've got any other questions or concerns regarding your income, comment in the comment section of the video. You can call my office. That number is 239-437-4278. Website's timhartjr.com. Share this with someone you know that's looking to get pre-approved to buy a home. A lot of people are trying to get pre-approved. A lot of people have commission, bonuses, overtime income, right? A lot of different scenarios. So we're happy to help them as well. So hope this helps you out in your home journey. And I hope you also have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.